In this video, we will learn how to add and subtract radicals. In our first example, we have 4 root 3 plus 7 root 3 minus 8 root 3. Believe it or not, these are already ready to be added. Why is that? It's because these radicals are all the same. They are all the square root of 3. As long as your radicals are all identical, you can combine these like terms together. So if I have 4 root 3 plus 7 root 3, I combine the numbers in front of the radicals. 4 plus 7 gives me 11, and then I subtract 8. That would give me a final answer of 3 root 3. And that's all you have to do. So as long as the radicals are the same, you can combine those. Now, at first glance, on the second example, you'd think these radicals aren't the same. There's no way I can combine them. But first, I need to see if any radicals can be simplified, and the square root of 75 can. That's because square root of 75 does have a perfect square factor, and that is 25. So I can rewrite square root of 75 as the square root of 25 times the square root of 3, which gives me 5 root 3. I will then multiply it by the 6 that was out in front to get 30 root 3. Now you can see if I have 8 root 3 plus 30 root 3, now I can combine those because they both have the square root of 3. I combine the numbers in front of the radicals. 8 and 30 gives me 38 root 3. So, not too bad as long as those radicals are the same. Looking at our third example, again, you'd think from first glance, this problem cannot be simplified at all because all those radicals are different. But let's see if we can simplify one of them. Square root of 5 and square root of 2, those cannot be simplified, but the square root of 18 can, because 18 has a perfect square factor of 9. So I can rewrite 18 as the square root of 9 times the square root of 2, or 3 root 2. I can then multiply that by the number 10 that was out in front to get 30 root 2. So my problem right now reads 6 root 5 minus root 2 minus 30 root 2. So as you can see, the root 5 does not have a like radical, so I cannot combine that with anything, but both of these terms have a square root of 2, so those can be combined. Let me write a number of negative 1 in front of that second radical to help me combine them. So the 6 root 5, that would stay the exact same, and then I have a negative 1 and a negative 30 to combine to negative 31 square root of 2. And that is how you add and subtract radicals. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. That way you are notified when new videos come out that can help you in your math classes. Thanks so much for watching.